Hey guys, we are getting ready to eat dinner. This is my first video of the day. I've been busy. Had to upload the photos from the wedding onto my iPad so I can edit them. And I did a treatment today, medicine, all of that. And then we had to go out and fax some paperwork out for the CF Foundation. We didn't get to the bank in time to do the notary stuff, so I guess we'll do that tomorrow. But dinner tonight is salmon, green beans, and garlic mashed potatoes. And we have strawberry cobbler for dessert, but we're getting ready to chow down, and I'll talk to you guys soon. You guys, this doesn't even do it justice, but it is black back there. And it's not because it's getting dark. Those are the blackest clouds I've ever seen in my entire life. About to be hit big time.
For $9.
Son?
Over 6 packs.
Whoa!
What? Give me the $9.
That was a giant strike right beside me.
I drank a Coke. We went to
I'm kind of scared.
Saturday, and I drank a Coke with peanuts in it.
A diet Coke.
The first time I've had a Coke that I don't eat. Wow.
Don't fall.
Well, I'll try to get if I have to. If I take an ocean, I just got to have one. I'll
Please
get a
don't tell.
fountain one.
Please,
Sit
I'll
on
sit
it.
there and chew until that's it.
But
It looks
I
like
may have
David
had
from
one
on
of them
Google.
last month.
I'm on free hand.
That's it. But now I do crave it sometimes.
I won't. I do mostly
You
water.
gotta finish.
I drink water all the
You
time
got
too, but
it.
sometimes I crave Coke. But
How
I
in the
don't
world?
keep them, so I don't
How
have
does he do that? What, chewed up? Get that big of a box. I was holding on to the bottom, you ripped it out. Oh, no. Honey? Now this
There's
part's
no more
not left.
Here we go.
I know, it's craziness. Who don't got no Cheerios anymore? I saw you flinch.
Who? Him?
You.
I was just backing up.
No.
Hey guys, so as you saw in those videos, we had a really severe storm pass through last night. And again, I did not film an ending clip for yesterday, so you get today. But it went through, it lasted about an hour. There's lots of thunder and lightning, but it was hard to get in.